Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing yet another unboxing. Today we are unboxing my new Apple Watch Series 8. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. Today, and for the last week or so, it has been pretty tech heavy. We're unboxing the new watch, so I hope that's fun for you. But if any of that sounds fun, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the unboxing. I'm just gonna put this out there. If you normally watch me for my luxury and like fashion content, I pinky promise that is what I will be going back to after this video. These past 2 weeks have just been a very tech heavy week. This thing wasn't even supposed to arrive to me until October 31st, but I got a notification from FedEx yesterday and they were like, hey, your watch is arriving today. And I was like, okay, yeah. I'll take it. This is my current Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch 5 series. So this one's pretty old. I've had this one for quite some time now. Again, this isn't going to be like a very long or detailed video. We will do like a small comparison between the new watch and the old watch. But when it comes to like in-depth reviews, I will leave that up to the tech gurus. I'm not a tech channel and I do not foresee myself becoming a tech channel. I am very techie. However, I do love phones, computers, tablets, cameras, all that good stuff. So I do consider myself a very techie person, but if you're looking for a more in-depth review, I would definitely check out, of course, Marquez Brownlee, Crystal Laura, I love her, Sarah Dici, all very good YouTubers. I actually filmed the unboxing portion of this video yesterday. My husband held the camera for me. It was very sweet. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get you on into that portion of the video. All right, you guys, I am back here with my watch. My husband is actually holding the phone behind me because I didn't have time to set up my lights and everything. But yeah, here she is. Beautiful white box, and then you flip her over, and as you can see, I did get the gold one. So always a very nice unboxing experience. Look at that. Oh, it just looks so nice already. And then we also have the strap, of course, and then where's the little pull tab? Here it is. Ooh, it's so gold. Look at that. I did get the gold color loop strap. Can't wait to put that on. And I actually did order another one from Amazon just to try out a couple of strap designs. Let's get to the piece de resistance. This is, of course, the Apple Watch Series 8 in the stainless steel gold color. Everything I got this year was gold. I don't know. I just felt very, very regal this year, I guess. Look. Oh, look how cute. And then it's in 45 millimeters. Oh my goodness. I don't want to get fingerprints on it, but I know I'm going to. Look how pretty. Okay. And then let me just set this down just while I do this part. And I think all this is instructions. Yeah, we don't need any of that. And then we have the new charging thing, which I definitely do need a new one of these. I charge my Apple Watch every night. I don't usually sleep with it on, so it is nice to have a new one of these. So I will definitely be using that. So now let's just put this on this way. Oh, that looks so nice. Are you joking? Compared to my old one, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna go set her up really quick and then I will come back and we'll do a little comparison of both of them. Okay, here we are with the fully set up new Apple Watch Series 8. I hope that you will like the boxing portion. I have already got my little lock screen on and then it's asking me for my passcode. And here she is. She's very beautiful. I've already got some notifications. And then here's what she looks like on the side. She's just this beautiful stainless steel gold color. I know the stainless steel can really attract a lot of fingerprints, but I don't mind too much just because it just looks so nice. So yeah, there's that with the gold Milanese loop. I did order a couple of other Apple Watches, not Apple Watches, Apple Watch straps from Amazon. I got one that is like Apple brand. It's like the leather link one. It's in the umber color to match my phone. And I also got another one that is quite similar to this. This is my old one, and as you can see, she is a bit beat up, but I do like the look of like a traditional watch strap kind of. So I did order one that was very similar to this. Yeah, I've even been thinking about picking up an Hermes watch band as well, but maybe we will do that at some other time. But yeah, I've got hair dye all over this thing. Again, this one is 44 millimeters, this one is 45. So you can tell an actual size difference. It's not too noticeable or too much bigger. Just the screen I can notice already is like, look at the numbers. The numbers are definitely much bigger on the Series 8. And then if we compare, see, this one is the aluminum, I believe, and I got this one in like a pink color. Don't ask me why I got it in pink back in the day. I don't know. I thought that was a vibe. But now I'm getting it in the gold, and here is this one. Also, if you have the pink colored one, it's a very pretty color. I like it. It's just, I don't know why I got it. It doesn't match my aesthetic literally at all. Let's compare the back. You can't really see the back on this one. Yeah, there's the back. You can't really see it. And then here's the back on this one. There's like one sensor, but I think there's like 4 sensors on the back of this one. Yeah, look at that. A lot of sensors. Alrighty, well, there is a small comparison. Let me go ahead and go back to other Kenzie that's sitting down, and she will kind of give us some like specs updates and stuff. But yeah, I hope you like the unboxing portion. Okay, we're back over here now, and as you can see, I do have the new watch on my wrist. Yes, I did change out the strap because I genuinely cannot stand that gold Milanese loop strap. They're always way too big, even though I want to say this one is like the small medium. I need like extra small because like my wrists are like freaking tiny. So I don't know, every single, like even this one right here, I could add an extra hole in here and make it tighter because I like my watches to not move, like absolutely at all. I have this watch right here. This one is by Larson & Jennings. It's not like a super expensive watch or anything. It's just like a nice watch that I wear whenever I don't want to wear my Apple Watch. But as you can see, this, it is so flush, like to my skin. It does not move. I like them to not move. So hopefully the ones that I get in the mail tomorrow are gonna be good. I'm sure they will be. Here's what she looks like on my wrist. Hopefully she doesn't look too big. I mean, she is pretty big. I was kind of debating on whether I should get the 41 millimeter, but here is what the 44 millimeter looks like next to the 45 millimeter. There is a definite difference, and the screen size is much bigger. I do like this one a lot. I'm gonna be wearing this one pretty much like consistently, and oh my god, I can text on this thing now. I am literally so excited for the fact that I can actually send a text directly from, I mean, you were able to do it before. You could send texts from the other Apple Watch, but this one has a keyboard. Like, are you kidding me? This is what I've wanted for so long. So I can literally just like swipe. You can use that swipe motion to send a message. I love that so much. This device is also supposed to have like a lot of nice new, I guess, quality of life features. It's not really like a big upgrade or anything like that. There's no design change unless you get the Apple Watch Ultra, but this one is supposed to have more sensors in it, and I think you could see that when I was doing the unboxing portion. This one has like 4 sensors. This one has 1 sensor, which is really good for sleep tracking, heat tracking, like your body temperature for ovulation for people that have periods. And yeah, I think it's also very good. I mean, I have tried to track my cycle in the past, and I don't do a very good job at it. I just forget. But if this thing can do it for me, hell yeah. I don't sleep with my watch on though. That could be a problem. I've just never done that, but maybe I should start doing that if I want to get the maybe I should start doing that if I want to get like the ovulation tracking. I'm not sure, we'll see. My favorite feature is, actually there's 2. My favorite feature is the fact that I can text directly on the watch. My second favorite feature is the crash detection. I hope and pray that I never have to use that feature, but I like the fact that it's there a lot. It's been said that you're not going to accidentally trigger the crash detection if you throw your watch across the room, or if you fall down. There is like a fall detection as well. That's really good, but you're not going to automatically or accidentally trigger it with something jarring, because it apparently connects to your phone and it uses like a GPS location kind of situation, and it can tell if you went from car-like speeds to a sudden stop, and it can also kind of tell where you're at. So that's very nice. I'm happy with that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 8 and the comparison with my Series 5. I really hope that you guys did enjoy this video. We will be continuing our regularly scheduled luxury fashion and just luxury handbag content in the next video, but I did want to get this one up for Friday, so you'll get it Friday. I really hope again that you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments of what you ended up getting. Are you gonna pick up one of these watches this year? Do you think it's a big enough upgrade from the previous model, like the Series 7? Is it even worth it? Did you get the Apple Watch Ultra? Just let me know in the comments, telling me anything, just because I want to know that. I'm very nosy. But you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!